way that it could work is YouTube. So we've played around with Reddit, and Reddit has a strong community, and they don't like it when companies are coming in and trying to promote their product, and they'll like downvote our comments, and so they don't like that. It's pretty hard and messy to win in Reddit. I do think that there's a path for that, but it's not trivial. It's not easy to control. But making YouTube videos is easy to control. So this one here, this is best meditation app. Let me do best payroll. Yeah, best payroll management software. I forget if that had a video. Or let's do best. What is the best asset management software? There's all these really high LTV questions with no videos or maybe one video. And it's actually much easier to win this because most people make videos about travel and cooking and fashion and stuff like that. They don't make it about enterprise software, but the LLMs really want videos. So if you make a video about enterprise software, yeah, there are none here. But if you make a video about enterprise software and you're the only YouTube video about that, you could actually win. And even this one here for best meditation app, this has 6,000 views. That's not that many views. It's not and this is for meditation. So it's not unrealistic to say, well, I'm going to take my top super high LTV questions for my B2B company, and I'm going to make a YouTube video. And why would anyone make a video about asset management software? They wouldn't, and I'm the only one. And I don't need any page rank on my site. I'm just going to piggyback off of YouTube, and I'm going to start ranking. So this is another thing that a brand new company that launches tomorrow could actually win a high LTV question by doing this, making a YouTube video about their money questions, and then getting mentioned on some of these tier 2, tier 3 publishers.
And
Yeah.
how important would you say on YouTube? How important is it to have a good description and title, or is LLMs just purely looking at the video content itself?
I know that the most important thing is the title. And then the second most important thing is the description. I don't know how comments or transcription of the video, I'm not sure. I don't have data on the effect of that, but I know that the description matters. And you'll see here that when I asked the best meditation app, it said calm, and there was and it linked to this video, and calm is mentioned so here's the video here, and calm is right here in the description, and it's only once. So if my
Got it.
description mentioned it 4 times, it's that's good. If it didn't mention it at all, that's bad. So I think it's
Yeah.
the title and the description. So if I wanted something like best asset management software, I would say something like best asset management software, and then Ethan's software asset management software company, something like that in the description.
Hmm. Got it. Okay. What are your thoughts? A bunch of questions came in,
Let's do it.
so I don't think we need to address every single one. There's some important ones that I think we should address in line of this
Great.
presentation, because I don't want to. We want to make sure you keep going. First one is: do you see Medium as a citation source often?
I have not seen it a ton, but I think that if it's not, it will be. So I definitely, try to get on every single surface. Have a YouTube video, have a Quora answer, have a Reddit answer, have a Medium post. The more, the better. It'll all add up.